I've been working on this motherfucking bike for fucking trying to get it started. After somebody took my key. And I had got a new ignition, which is like this. But the ignition wasn't the right. It didn't have this diode in it. That little line was the only thing keeping the bike not started. I did the fuel pump 3 times, injectors, bank angle sensor, everything, and I'm finally happy to say I finally got this bike back running. Trying to paint her again, sand her down. Yeah, my baby back running, man. Happy as hell, man. Happy as hell. Finally running again. There you go, guys.